If you have an email list of under 100 subscribers, I know growing it to the 1,000 mark can seem daunting, but it's absolutely achievable, and we're going to show you how. Best of all, you can do it all for free and save yourself lots of time and money. Let's get to it. Unlike the early days of email marketing, today there are fantastic free options available that deliver powerful features without emptying your wallet. Our top picks are Mailerlite, Brevo, and Omnisend, which offer excellent features and sending limits without breaking the bank. Let's walk through each one to see which is the best fit for you. Let's start with Mailerlite. As the name suggests, it focuses on simplicity without sacrificing power. Their free forever plan allows up to 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails a month. You can also build landing pages and forms and set up basic automation workflows, all for free. However, there's a catch. Templates aren't included in the free plan, so you'll need to design your own using their drag-and-drop builder. Luckily, it's one of the most intuitive builders we've used, so no real issues there. But who is Mailerlite best for? Well, if you own a budget-conscious business and are looking for an easy, all-in-one marketing tool, it might be your perfect match. But what if you're running an e-commerce store? Then you'll want to hear about what Omnisend has to offer. Omnisend is a powerful email marketing tool designed specifically for e-commerce businesses. It integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, etc. What's really cool is that all features are included in Omnisend's free plan, meaning you can build automation workflows, add your store's products directly to your emails, and use interactive elements like scratch cards and gift boxes. Plus, you get 24/7 support, website tracking, and deep reporting. The only downside is that you're limited to just 500 emails per month and 250 subscribers. If you have a larger list, you'll quickly outgrow this plan. But hey, if it's helping you bring in the sales, then it might be worth it. Omnisend is ideal if you're a small e-commerce business owner that wants advanced features and automation but doesn't have a large subscriber base yet. Now, if your primary goal, however, is to scale quickly, Brevo might be your best bet. Brevo's free plan allows up to 100,000 subscribers and 9,000 emails a month, which is pretty impressive, although you are limited to 300 emails per day. We really like that you can build automation workflows and send transactional emails, making it a great option if you need more complex campaigns. But there are some pretty impressive features that will not be included on the free plan, like access to email heat maps and details of who opened or clicked on your emails. I should also mention that you'll be stuck with Brevo's branding on your emails. Okay, so now that you have a better idea of which email marketing tool is the best match for you, the question is, how do you actually get started with the email marketing part? Well, here are our top tips. Perhaps the most crucial thing to do ahead of creating your first campaign is authenticate your domain. Authentication is essential for making sure your emails actually reach your audience. To help you get started, we've linked our complete guide to email authentication in the description below. We've also added our video tutorials for each of the tools we've mentioned, so you can dive right into the setup when you're ready. These tutorials also cover how to set up your first email campaign, so make sure to check those out. Tip number 2, use lead magnets. One expensive mistake is buying an email list. It's costly and rarely effective. Instead, use lead magnets, simple freebies like a checklist, an ebook, or even a discount code to encourage visitors to sign up. These incentives help you build an engaged, targeted audience for free. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just think about the value you already provide and offer a small piece of that in exchange for an email address. Bonus hot tip. You can make these freebies on Canva. We've linked our video tutorial in the description. Tip number 3, get personal. Many beginners make the mistake of focusing too heavily on sales, and their emails start sounding more like ads rather than provide value. People connect better with authentic personal stories. So if you're just starting out, introduce yourself and share why you're passionate about what you do and what makes you different. But you also don't want to make it all about you. You want to ensure that your recipient sees value in what you're offering them. Personalization goes a long way with this. Use your subscribers' first names and tailor the content based on their preferences and buying history. This approach is not only cost-effective, but also helps you build a stronger, more personal relationship with your audience members. Tip number 4, be consistent. Sending emails too sporadically or bombarding your subscribers with too many messages is a rookie mistake. Remember, email marketing is all about building a relationship, not just running a campaign. So the right frequency of engagement is crucial. We recommend that you develop a schedule you can stick to that won't overwhelm your audience. You know your audience best, but in general, a well-timed email 2 to 4 times a month is perfect to keep engagement up. Tip number 5, segment your audience. Sending the same email to everyone isn't the best move. Instead, use segmentation to send targeted messages based on your subscribers' interests or behaviors. If you hone in on what they want, it will lead to better engagement. Tip number 6, optimize for mobile. More than half of all emails are opened on mobile devices. If your design isn't responsive, you could lose a huge chunk of your audience right off the bat. Make it a rule to send yourself a preview of your email campaign and check it on both desktop and mobile before hitting send for everyone else. For more expert tips on email marketing, be sure to check out our free ebook for beginners linked in the description. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And as always, let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Also, we'd really love to know which tool you decided on. Let us know.